UFO Power is committed to be your first choice of lithium battery solution wherever you are. It is our duty to be better as a business. We pride ourselves on supplying reliable lithium-ion batteries and lithium iron phosphate batteries that are always deliver on time. Not only are we engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of lithium-ion battery, but we are proud to say our factory is ISO 9001 certified. Being a UFO Power customer, you can be confident when purchasing from us, because what behind you are our professional team, strict quality control, and thoughtful customer service. Our team has been in this industry for over 10 years of lithium-ion battery experience. Our certifications like MSDS, CE is our commitment to quality and safety for our lithium batteries, to ensure we comply with the industry's quality and safety standards. We are always available to discuss your requirements of batteries within 24 hours. Our know-how and expertise, incorporated with our unparalleled customer service and after-sales support, will ensure your enjoyable customer journey. UFO Power offers 12-volt, 24-volt, and 48-volt lithium batteries that can power a range of applications, from small residential to commercial energy storage system, telecom tower, and much more. Whether selecting a current product or seeking engineering assistance for your application, we will provide you with the optimum solutions about your sourcing requirements.